Friends, let me begin by wishing you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Today, I would like to speak a few words about our great leader Mahatma Gandhi ji. India is a great country which has a rich history. It has given us many great and powerful leaders. One of the most important and strong personalities was Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi's real name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father named Karamchand Gandhi and mother Putli Bai. He was born in a middle-class family on 2nd October 1869 in a small town called Porbandar in Gujarat. Throughout his life, he had performed a great work which still influences in our lives today. He spent 21 years in South Africa where he developed his political views and ethics. He faced discrimination because of his skin color and heritage. After being thrown out of a train coach because of his skin color by a white man, he felt he must resist this and fight for his rights. This incident changed his mind. He started working towards upliftment of mankind. In South Africa, he developed the concepts of ahimsa and satyagraha. All his hard work paid off, and in 1914, Gandhiji and the government of South Africa came to an agreement where the Indian demands were considered. He came back to India in 1915 and later he settled down on the banks of the river Sabarmati, where he founded the Sabarmati Ashram. Here he continued his fight against the evil systems of the society. He fought against untouchability and he also played an important role in the empowerment of women and giving farmers their rights. Few of his important works are Non-Cooperation Movement in 1920, Dandi March, that is Salt Satyagraha in 1930, and Quit India Movement in 1942. The greatest accomplishment of Gandhiji was his lifelong fight for independence of India. Finally, it became a reality on August 15, 1947. Throughout his life, he worked hard to bring unity amongst the people of all castes and religions. After independence and partition of India, he worked hard to bring Hindus and Muslims together. On 30th January 1948, Gandhiji was shot dead by Nathuram Godse at the age of 78. His last words while dying were, "Hey Ram." For all his contributions, we regard him as the father of our nation. To pay tribute to father of our nation and his work, every year 2nd October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti and International Day of Non-Violence. The President, the Prime Minister and all other leaders pay their respect to Gandhiji at his memorial located in Rajghat. Prayers from the holy books of various religions and his favorite bhajans, Raghupati Raghava Rajaram and Vaishnava Janato Tene Kahiye, are sung. The speech is not sufficient to honor the memory of the values he stood and the life he led. We, as the future of the country, can honor him by living on the principles of truth, simplicity and non-violence. I would like to conclude my speech by one of Gandhiji's great sayings. Live as if you were to die tomorrow and learn as if you were to live forever. Jai Hind. Thank you.